And they got a beer plant, just plain. Actually, really not plain. This is a summer shandy hops vine. I'm excited to show y'all this because I've been looking for it for a little bit. I love shandy beers and just wanted to show y'all this. There's a plant for everybody. But here you go. I'll do a video on it later explaining all the details about it. And now let's get on to the hydrangeas. So as promised, to the update to the hydrangea video, here's a couple of them that have already bloomed. This one's looking very nice, that pink and bluish mixed color with the violet in there. It looks pretty awesome. This one, like I said, this is the one that was hit by the freeze. So it's not doing too well, but I think we'll get a couple of blooms. There's just that little one there. There's a mystery one that we salvage. It's pink. And these we have yet to pot, but there's a twist and shout. Like I said before, I recommended this one as a lace cap for anybody that loves lace cap hydrangeas. Love the way this one came out. It's got colors of all types. It's got a little bit of pink, a little bit of blue, a little bit of violet in there. And here's Annabelle. I hate that Lady got to it. Lady meaning my bulldog. It had plenty of blooms, and I think it would have looked freaking amazing had it had all the blooms. But unfortunately, this is all we got, and they just look amazing. It's a cream color, white, almost like a snow cone. And then just a little sneak peek on the Pinky Winkies. They're starting to show a lot of forming blooms. I promise I'll put one out as soon as this one blooms. It'll be an awesome cream white. And then later in the fall, we'll get that nice red and pinkish color to them. And here are the little limes starting to show some more blooms as well. These will take a little bit longer. We have them in partial, part sun, part shade. Don't want to keep them in complete sun or else they start to fry the blooms. But these are coming along as well. And here's the strawberry vanilla showing some signs of life as well. I promise we'll keep updates once these start to bloom. A lot of these we don't have potted. We're still trying to figure out what we're going to do with them, where we're going to put them. Any suggestions, let us know.